Children, in the last class, we learnt transformation of sentences and using so that when the sentence is in to and to, and when the sentence is carrying so that, how to rewrite it by using to and to. And in the last class I said that I'll give some examples of sentences that will carry negative word in to and to. When it carries negative word, how to rewrite it by using so and that. And I have written 4 examples. One is with affirmative and 3 are negative. And I'll explain what are the things you have to change and how to rewrite it to and so that. The first example. The apples are too cheap to be fresh. Here you have to rewrite it by using so and that. And this sentence is in affirmative. It says that this is so cheap that it cannot be so fresh. It cannot be fresh. So here, let's write this sentence. The apples are, in the place of to, you use so cheap. In the place of to, you use that, as there are apples. So what do you write? It is in plural form. That they cannot be, as it is present form, they cannot be fresh. The apples are so cheap that they cannot be fresh. Now, in the second sentence, I am too tired not to fall asleep. It says that I'm so tired, I'll fall asleep. Easily I fall asleep. So, not to fall asleep means easily I cannot control and I'll easily fall asleep. So, when to and to carries not, you are not supposed to write not in so and that. There in the first sentence, there is no not in that sentence, so you have used not in it. But as there is not in the given sentence, when you rewrite it by using so and that, you will not use not. How to write this? I am so tired. In the place of to, you will write so tired, and in the place of to, that, as it is present tense, you will use present verb also here. That I can fall asleep. So I will fall asleep. So you have what to be placed in the place of to, you have written that, and there is no not you are using. I will fall asleep. And let's see the next sentence. This race is too easy not to finish it. Here again, not is there. How to rewrite it? By using so and that. When a sentence which carries to and to carries not in it, you are not supposed to use not in the answer. So here, this will go like this. This race is so easy, and in the place of to, you use that that I can finish it. So the race will be finished by someone. So you will use some subject there. This race is so easy that I can finish it. So there is no not. And the last sentence, the boy is too tall not to touch the roof. That means he is so tall that he can easily touch the roof. The boy is so tall that he can touch the roof. I hope you have understood these sentences and how to rewrite it when there is not in the given sentence, that is two and two. When it carries, you are not supposed to use not in it. So related to this explanation, I'll give some questions in the worksheet. You will complete it and in the English language register.